Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, based on the title of my channel, you probably already figured out that I'm going to show you how to cook with a wok. To me, the wok is probably the most effective and simple cooking utensil to have. It is multifunctional. Once you have a wok, you probably do not need any other cooking utensils. So on my channel, I have a video to show you how to pick the right wok for you. Most people think of the wok as only for stir frying. But however, you can use the wok for pan frying, use the wok for steaming, for boiling water, put it in the oven for making a casserole, or you can even broil things in your wok. And I actually use my wok for baking. I use it for baking bread as well as baking cake. Picking the right wok actually turned out to be really important because there are many different kinds of woks, and some might work better for you but might be better for other individuals. On my YouTube channel, I will review different types of woks, and I will discuss their pros and cons and what kind of wok that might work best for your kitchen situation as well as your cooking intention. However, stir frying remains to be the main cooking technique I will discuss on my YouTube channel. And most people will agree, stir frying is probably the simplest, fastest, most efficient, and most flexible cooking technique. Again, it is important to remember that stir frying is a technique. Stir frying can be used to cook any cuisines in addition to cooking Chinese and Asian cuisines. For example, stir fry can be used to make Italian food, Indian food, Greek, or whatever food that you would like to. On this YouTube channel, I'm going to show you some of the basic principles of stir frying and how to use these principles for cooking different type of food ingredients, all the way from meat to seafood to vegetables, noodles, rice, and the list go on and on. I have over 500 videos to show you different type of examples in using stir fry that will allow you to create many different dishes. Another significant aspect about this channel is that I'm here to promote what I call template-based cooking rather than recipe-based cooking. Template-based cooking is a variation of recipe-based cooking. So instead of always follow a recipe, you take a recipe and you extract the essential aspect of this recipe, and then you convert it into a template. So in this template, you will decide which steps are essential to achieve the primary characteristic of the dish. This then becomes your template. Then every other steps you are free to modify, make adjustments based on what is available to you as well as your preference at the time. The greatest advantage of template-based cooking is that you can make modifications to the basic template and create many different variations. So I'm going to give you plenty of examples to demonstrate how to construct a template and then how to make variations to the template to make your cooking fun and interesting. And when you combine stir frying with template-based cooking, this will allow your creativity to flow. Based on what is available to you on that day and how you feel like to have in a particular meal, you can create many different possible combinations. And with the flexibility of stir frying, really the sky is your only limit. To extract the maximum potential and benefit with template-based cooking and stir frying, if you have your ingredients prepped in advance. Having your ingredients ready to go, you can imagine they are like paint on your paint palette for you to create your next culinary masterpiece. And when you combine advanced prepping with stir frying, it is provide you with a setting that will allow you to cook your meal really fast with most of the dishes in less than 5 minutes. This cooking approach is perfect when you don't have a large block of time available to you. By spending about a couple hours in the beginning of the week to do advanced prepping, you're going to save hours during the week when you cook. As my friend Joanne once said, Advanced prepping is like having money in the bank. You can withdraw it anytime you want. With stir frying, template-based cooking, advanced prepping, you have created a cooking system that will allow you to cook almost anything that you would like at the same time to develop the flavor that you enjoy. My friend Tommy, who is a chef, he once told me that you must continue to look for the flavor that you enjoy in the food that you cook. Once you achieve that, you are golden because you would not want anybody else to cook for you. And he called this flavor chasing, which means that you always try to improve the flavor of the food that you cook. So here it is. This is what I would try to achieve in my YouTube channel. I'm going to describe to you what I call it the FAST cooking system. FAST is the acronym of the 4 attributes of this cooking system. The word FAST stands for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. I started to develop this cooking system about 10 years ago, and I have been using this cooking system ever since. This cooking system has been transformative for me, and I believe that it will be for you as well. I'm using my fast cooking system every day, 7 days a week, and I never get tired of cooking. I post a video every day of what I cook for dinner. I want to use this video as a way to demonstrate to you the applications of my fast cooking system. So I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see what I come up with each day, which I'm not sure myself either. As my wife often said to me, your cooking is always changing. It is a work in progress, but it is changing for the better. So okay, I hope you will join me, and I will see you tomorrow.